Hi, my name is Tamir Bill, and this is my first episode and first season of YouTube. It's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow Christmas Day. I do not want to do this. And it's 7 o'clock. Let me see. It is 38. Okay, I am going to sing one of my song. But that's not song. Hold on. I am going to sing Jar of Hearts. Sorry about that. I'm sick of it, but I'm sick because I got a cold. No, I can't take one more step to you. 'Cause all I'm letting is gray. And don't you know I'm not your go-to. You lost the one I never know. I will quit half alive. And now you want me for life. And who do you think you are? And you are in the sky. Connecting your job. You're gonna get to go. But maybe I'm inside the sun. So don't come back to me. Who do you think you are? I heard you acting all around. If I'm anywhere to be found, but I've grown too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half a life, and now you got me one more time. And who do you think you are? And only God, collecting your job until you're gonna get to go from every eyes inside yourself. Don't come back to me. Who do you think you are? And it took so long just to feel alright. You remember how to put that the light in my eyes. I wish I had missed the first time that we kissed. 'Cause you broke all of your promises. And now you're back. You don't get me back. Who do you think you are? I only scar. Nothing your job apart. And tear love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from every heart inside your soul. So don't go back to me. Don't come back at all. And who do you think you are when you marry? I'm not leaving scar, collecting your joy apart. tearing apart. You're gonna get to go from the behind inside your soul. And don't come back, please. Don't come back. Oh, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Bye.